To connect your Namecheap domain to Webflow, follow these steps. Log into Namecheap. Go to Namecheap and log into your account. Under Domain List, find the domain you want to connect to Webflow and click Manage. Update DNS settings. In the Domain section, navigate to the Advanced DNS tab. Find the Host Records section and modify or add the following records. A records. Set 2 A records for Webflow's IP addresses. CNAME record. Add the CNAME record for the www subdomain. Configure domain name Webflow. Log into your Webflow account and open your project. Go to Project Settings, Hosting. Under the Custom Domain section, click Add Custom Domain and enter your domain. Click Save and follow Webflow's verification process to ensure everything is set up. Wait for DNS propagation. DNS changes may take up to 48 hours to propagate. Once complete, your Namecheap domain will be connected to your Webflow website.